Hello world, in this video we're going to be creating a adaptation to our hero name generator. So in our last video we created the hero name generator, so a little graphical front end that let you use checkboxes and combo boxes to select some options and then make a hero to display your hero name. Today we're going to be looking at adding an option for a dark mode, so we can turn it into a dark mode and then back to a light mode. This is quite popular and is often used in different projects and across different applications such as Discord, Microsoft Word. Nearly everything comes with the option to have dark mode. So let's see how we would do this. So what we're going to need to do is create a function that basically changes all of the text to a different color. So to do that, we're going to start by creating the function. So in here, we're going to need a function. Now, rather than me bore you while I type it all out, I'm literally just going to paste it in and talk you through what it is it does. So all we're going to do is create a function for dark mode, define dark mode, and then we're going to say if the checkbox dot value is equal to 1, then it's going to be white, and if not, it's going to be black. So we can see here that we're setting the app.bg or app background to black, the message dot one text color to white, and then obviously we're reversing that on the flip side. So very easy function, and just have a look and see what we're doing. So for example here, message4.text color set to white, and then down here the flip side of that would be message4.text color set to black. Now we've got the function. What we need to do is we need to add the button. So we just need to put our button in and link it to our function. So we'll do that now. So this is essentially what we're doing. So we're creating a variable called checkbox, setting it to a checkbox, saying that it's opening the app, and text equals dark mode on, and then we're passing it the function dark mode. So let's run this, and we should have our application come up, and then down the bottom you can see we've got dark mode on. If we tick that, there we go, we enter dark mode, and that looks pretty cool. So I hope that's been helpful. Please remember to like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching.